we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort, and China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works. Also, those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you, keep it coming. Now, of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And we're definitely holding steady. We have $4 billion worth of futures expire on Friday. Also, guys, we have Ethereum option open interest grows. As we know, institutional investors are definitely coming in. Now, guys, it's a very, very important week because it's definitely going to be volatile. We know the stock market is going to be volatile. Big tech week. And then plus this week, we have the Fed meeting. So do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have the volume, we have Tether, and we have USDC. Do not forget the Fed has the $50 billion to manipulate yields. Make sure you're using the app in order to review how much they're going to be doing, because that's going to let us know which way the market is going to swing. Plus, guys, like I stated, end of June, beginning of July, that's when I start seeing the stock market correct and also cryptos. We know rising yields and then plus inflation. And like I stated, we have billions of dollars that's going to expire. Bitcoin, Ethereum, we have CME, Binance, and the other future exchanges. Plus on the 3rd, CME launches micro Bitcoin futures, which is going to help the open interest. Plus, they need Bitcoin as collateral. So I definitely see May and June are the last months for the bull market. And then we start heading into that bear market unless something big changes like a Bitcoin ETF. Now, as Bitcoin came back alive, and of course, when we took that dip, you didn't see any of the hype boys. That's all you heard was going into a bear market. And I told you, not yet. Now, basically, we had some altcoins hit new all-time highs as Bitcoin moved up. We had Compound, Serum, Solana, Polygon. So, guys, I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But when we take those big dips, please take advantage. Same way with the stock market. As long as the Fed is pumping this free money, we know that the New World Order stocks are going to go right back up. It's the same game, guys. Now, we have M-stable launches on Polygon using, of course, the second layer solutions to get rid of some of those fees. Also, we have Badger, DAO, and Ren announces launching of Bitcoin to Ethereum Badger Bridge. So that will allow Bitcoin holders to bring their Bitcoin to Ethereum and deposit into yield-bearing vaults with one click. And guys, remember who's going to be the winner in this space. The ones who can make the process seamless for the masses. We know the masses don't want to think, they don't care about finances. And remember, the New World Order wants to get everybody pushed over without them even noticing. So cryptos are going to become a whole lot simpler before it's brought to the masses. Now let's get over into the crypto news. We have Elon Musk sold $272 million of Bitcoin in the first quarter. And guys, you remember they stated it wasn't going to sell anything. Remember, Bitcoin is the new gold. You don't sell it. It's a store of value. Remember, do not listen to what they say. Watch what they do. Now we have Binance launches NFT marketplace in June, and we know it was going to happen. Binance has taken over everything, if you can't see. The Asian connection is clearly showing if you open your eyes. Then we have Iran Central Bank says officially mined crypto can be used to pay for imports. And now, guys, we're going to see the real utility come in. And we see it all over in Asia. And now we're going to start seeing it in the Middle East also. Plus, guys, we have Gemini to launch Bitcoin cashback rewards on MasterCard Credit Card. And we know what that's about. That's right, adoption. And we have Russian Space Agency uses blockchain to protect intellectual property. And we know that is a big thing when it comes to United States and China. And what's going to fix that issue? That's right, blockchain. We know everything is going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Now we have the new Tezos bridge that lets DeFi users wrap their Ethereum on Tezos to avoid fees. And we know, guys, we're waiting on that Ethereum 2.0, the scaling to get rid of some of these fees. But as we can see, there's a lot of avenues that are starting to be created to get rid of some of these fees. Now we have the U.S. Bank will now allow custody and will work with the NYDIG, and we know how big that is. And then plus we know they're trying to get an ETF. And what are we noticing in the crypto space? You have the same banks about to control crypto. And I mean all of it. Remember I told you the banks are going to select the winners and losers. They're going to control it all. And lastly, this is what I mean by that. We have JP Morgan to offer a Bitcoin fund to its private wealth clients. And guys, we know it's coming. Just like I stated, when it comes to the billionaires, the New World Order, do not listen to what they say. Watch what they do. Remember, technology is for good or evil. We can go back and listen to all the billionaires and all the negativity that they were saying about Bitcoin, but on the back end, they were buying the whole time. They don't want you to have anything. They tell you lies on purpose to scare you away from the money. Remember, there's billions and billions of dollars that are made every day on the stock market. People will not touch it because they follow what they heard on television instead of sitting down and doing their own research. Because we know when it comes to the New World Order, everything is planned out. That's all I have for you guys. Do not forget the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. Also, the stock channel, Cryptoteacher Stocks. You have your Cobalt, chip stocks, gaming, banking, while everybody's sitting at home, you got that home stocks. The C word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.